Well, representation in healthcare has been at the forefront of many conversations recently. Studies have shown an alarming rate of misinformation about COVID-19, plus alarming numbers of deaths amid the pandemic.
Tonight, we're highlighting a young African-American doctor at Prisma who hopes to help her community through her role as a physician right here in the Upstate. Fox Carolina's Amber Worthy shares her story.
Dr. Eldridge almost didn't become a doctor despite the fact that she comes from a family of doctors. It wasn't until life dealt her a different hand than she expected when she met a physician who she now strives to be like right here in the Upstate. I sat down with Dr. Eldridge in the healing garden at Prisma. She now works in pediatric hospital medicine. With dreams of becoming a gymnast, Dr. Melissa-Eldridge never imagined wearing a white coat like many members in her family.
I was actually on my way to be a gymnast, and so my experience through gymnastics and working with orthopedic surgeons and other physicians as well as those in my family really drove my drive to want to be a physician. So after that, it's all history.
It was the candid conversations with doctors at a young age that made her want to become that doctor who now works with children as well.
I realized that the impact you can have on one person's life by educating them, speaking with them, and even helping them through injuries like I had in gymnastics, because at that time gymnastics was everything to me. And I remember the physician sitting down and talking to me and explaining, and it really changed my perspective, and I really wanted to continue to provide that for other people.
People who look like her.
I think representation matters in every aspect of the word. I remember one of my patients saying, I didn't know doctors came in brown. And, kids say anything, but it really shifted my desire to really be in the forefront and be a person that people can see and look up to and realize that you can be in this position no matter what color you are, but especially if you are Black.
Her father paved the way for her, passing away just a few years ago. She's now walking in his footsteps, hoping to carry on his legacy and all those who paved the way before him.
Black History Month has always been an important time to me. I think it's an amazing time to celebrate and highlight history that may not have been highlighted previously on a large scale, but even on a small scale. Even my grandparents being nurses during a time in the South that was very divided and segregated, and the things that they have done to work to make that better.
She says that her skin color does matter. It matters now more than ever. And she does work with little ones in the urgent care department here at Prisma. And she says that it does help in those important conversations. For now, reporting here in Greenville, Amber Worthy for Fox Carolina News.
And to watch this and other Black History Month stories, you can find them after each of our newscasts right here on our YouTube channel. Just search for Fox Carolina News.